When I grow up and leave home, I aspire to be many things. A lawyer, a doctor, an actor, whatever. I guess we wouldn't know. But why would I? When my parents have a free babysitter, I get free food, my parents drive me everywhere, and I pretty much get everything for free. Why would I leave home when I can give back to my people and I have the foundations of a future here? I would leave home because the government is a place, a white man place, made for white men to succeed, but I would like to prove them wrong. I would like to inspire my people and others that there is more than just the white man world. But why would I leave home? I probably wouldn't. I'd probably stay home. I like the free stuff. Yep, tira koutou katoa.